Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from UDCYD. In our last video, we showed you how to find a gold supplier, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to find a verified supplier. So as I said before, if you haven't subscribed yet, do hit that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any content, leave a comment, and if this video has helped you in some way, do give it a thumbs up. So first things first, what is a verified supplier? So a verified supplier is a supplier whose company profile, products, production capabilities and process controls have to be inspected, assessed and verified by independent third parties. Simply put, basically this type of supplier goes through all the inspections. So how do we find them? So we look for the icon again. We're going to click on the drop down button and search for suppliers. In this example, we can search for masks, surgical masks, let's be precise, and click enter. So again, we're looking for a verified supplier, so we're looking for this icon, right? And as I said before, this is the trade assurance icon right here. So we're going to click on verified supplier. So this is a verified supplier. Carry on going down, verified. So we want to look for the one that has been on the platform for the longest time. So that's the first one. So we're going to click here. So you can look through their products, their profile, their contents, their feeds, ratings and reviews, and so forth. So when you go down, let's look at the company overview first. So this is the basic breakdown of the company. They have a video of their factory, their office, their workshop, a QR code that you can scan, and it says here the supplier has been verified on site by world-leading inspection company. As I said, a verified supplier goes through the most inspections. So you are looking for all of these icons next to their capabilities. Now I'll show you the difference between a gold supplier and a verified supplier. So at the end of the day, the question is, which supplier should you choose for your bulk orders? So gold supplier versus verified supplier. So gold supplier doesn't have to go through all these inspections, as you can see, like money talks over here. So all they inspect is the business license and the ownership status, contact information, the company or factory location. As you can see, all these boxes are checked. But when it comes to a verified supplier, they check the company overview, the trading capabilities, the R&D capabilities, and so forth. They have the most checks, which means they have to go through the most inspections. So at the end of the day, the question is, which one would you trust, the gold supplier or the verified supplier? And we have seen in both of these examples that some suppliers are both gold suppliers and verified suppliers. So those are the best ones to do business with, in my opinion. Okay, catch us for the next video as we show you how to find a trade assurance supplier. Bye for now.